Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. Are you like me and you like to have hot food for lunch, but you can't always make it to a kitchen or a microwave to heat your food up, and you don't want to have to pay to eat out every day? I have this problem. So I got the Zojirushi hot food and soup container. I was about to eat my soup right now, and then I decided to share it with you because I just love it. It works so well. It stays cool on the outside, hot on the inside. The lid is easy to grip and remove, and I love the pearly, creamy color as well. I have soup in here that I made earlier today, and it is still steaming hot. It is, what time is it? 2:43 now, and I put this in this morning, and it is still hot and steamy, fresh and delicious, and it lasts for hours and hours. This is the 16.9 ounce container. Look how easy it is to unscrew, and it is stainless steel inside. So you can prepare your lunch in the morning before you go to work, or before you go, if you're going on a hiking trip, gonna be out all day, whatever purpose you need to be on the go, this works so well. It is leak proof, it is heat proof, and it just can roll around in your bag. You're not gonna slosh your soup anywhere. I absolutely love this container for my hot soup and food, but that's just my point of view.